I'm Dr. Boss. I want to talk to you for a few minutes about caring for your senior pet. Nobody likes to think of their pets growing old, but it happens to us and our pets. And it can happen very quickly in pets. It's amazing how fast age becomes apparent when a pet gets elderly. Even though the symptoms often seem to reach a tipping point and then the pet suddenly seems arthritic or senile, a lot of these problems develop very slowly over many years. So arthritis does not develop all of a sudden. It's years of wear and tear. By the time a pet is having behavioral changes with age, that too, the brain has been changing for many years. They've shown that age deterioration in dogs begins at about age 7. Arthritis usually starts sometime between the ages of 6 and 9. By the time they are 10 years old, most dogs have some arthritis visible on x-rays. In cats, 90% of cats have arthritis on x-rays by age 12. So those diseases progress slowly, and our goal when we're treating these animals is to try and get ahead of it. So we want to catch disease early when we can treat them most effectively. If you wait until symptoms develop to test and treat for chronic diseases, you're waiting too long. Once the cartilage is worn off the bone with arthritis, once the kidneys are in failure or the signs of senility are obvious, there's so much more damage done, it's often difficult or impossible to fix it. We recommend blood testing at least annually from the time your pet turns senior, and ideally even in adult cats and dogs, screening should be done every year because we find problems at any age. The higher the age, the more likely something is going to show up. We like to start glucosamine supplementation by the time the pet turns senior age, which would be like a person turning 40. We want to start supplementing sooner if a pet has a predisposing condition such as hip dysplasia or loose kneecaps or has had surgery in the knee. Arthritis is almost inevitable. Every pet is going to develop arthritis sooner or later. We know that's going to be happening inside the joints, so we want to start giving that anti-inflammatory medication early on. Fish oil supplementation also is something we want to start very early. Research shows very clearly that pets getting extra fish oil in their diet have all kinds of health benefits. Puppies and kittens have better brain development when they're getting extra fatty acids in their diet. They also respond better to vaccinations, so a puppy is going to develop better immunity faster if they're on a fish oil supplement. Supplements in adult pets reduce the risk for cancer as pets get older. I don't think most people realize how much influence they have on their pet's cancer risk when the pet is young. Being overweight as an adult makes cancer risk much higher as a senior pet, so weight control should be a concern for a pet's entire life. Fatty acids in fish oil reduce cancer risk if started early on, but not if you wait until the pet is already elderly. Be proactive when it comes to senior care. Diet, exercise, and early detection of disease are important from the beginning. Senior care really starts at birth.